Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your Shopify link. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and lastly, marketing and discounts. And here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale. And lastly, online store. Here you're going to find apps. And in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So right now, if you want to edit your Shopify domain, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is go to settings. And then once you're here in the settings, if you go to the left side of your screen, here you're going to find general, plan, buy link, settings, users and permission settings, payments, checkouts, and so on. Here in this list, go ahead and search for domains. Once you find domains, give it a click, and then you're going to be here in this page. So once you're here in this page, as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to see your current domain. And if you want to change it, it's pretty easy. Just click on change to a new myshopify.com domain. And then right here, you can type the domain that you want. And if it's available, then you're going to be able to add the domain. As you can see, guys, this domain is not available. But if we try to add some letters to it, as you can see, guys, it's going to be able, or we're going to be able to add it. Just click on add domain, and then you're going to be able to change it. But you can only change this domain name once. Your original myshopify.com domain will be still visible in your admin. There is no cost to make this change. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.